Here's how to use Ladybird browser. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to Safari, Google, or Chrome and search for ladybird.org. And you can see that Ladybird is a brand new browser and web engine driven by a web standard first approach that aims to render the modern web with good feedback. So click on the Get Involved option once you have already searched it, and then you will see there two options: join Discord or get the code. It's much easier to join Discord. Click on Accept Invite and you will be redirected on this page. Scroll down under the development, click on the browser option. And now you can see you can now use the Ladybird browser on Discord by selecting the development browser and search anything from the browser itself, and it will automatically load, and you can now go ahead and read some research or other opinions that has been uploaded to the browser of the Ladybird. Just scroll up and scroll down.